Come on, Metzler, you can get up here. Morning, lads. Come out to sort of a different spot that's halfway between a couple of areas I've ridden, but I haven't been up this way for about 2 years, so yeah, let's see if we can explore this area, find something cool to do. I've left my bloody mirror on and my number plate, so hopefully I don't know, hit that on shit and hit my number plate on shit and bend it again, because the number plate's really badly damaged. So, oh, it sounds like Carl's ready to go. So, let's go have some fun. This is my first kind of ride, I guess, with the new clutches in here. So to see how this new clutch packs go. It already engages earlier, so the old ones were definitely worn. I see something interesting already. Fuck this shit, let's just go down there. Fire road's boring. Of course I choose the one that's very overgrown. I think we're probably going to have to go back up. This all looks very overgrown. What's down here? Hey?
Some of the trees are spiky.
Are they?
Yeah.
They look soft and cuddly to me. Yeah. Make our own track. Gonna go the hard way. There's no track here. Am I recording? That's a proper drop. There we go. Yeah, look at that, there's a track. I reckon this is where that young man behind me slipped over on these rocks in that video. Hey, does this look familiar? Ride past that and not look at it. I think I actually wanted that track there. Let's see what this does. I think I wanted that one there. Oh, funky nuts. I have successfully wedged the bike. No, that's not a good sign. I probably should have taken the... If you take that one, you'll probably be alright. Alright, I think I just entered amateur hour. Shit, the tree's hanging down. Up through here. Oh, how good do them clouds look?
So good.
Looking good. We might even get wet.
Might get rained on too.
Thank you, neutral. I want to go up there. Nearly sent myself down the side of the hill then. I was getting a little bit sketchy. I've been down this one for a while. Yeah, the storm's made a few trees down here as well. just going straight over these logs here. Come on, backwards, backwards, backwards. Oh man, I'm reminiscing about that ride a few weeks ago with Alex. And I'm not going to lie, it's getting quite dark out here. Why can I smell burning? Hey?
You smell something burning?
Yeah. Don't know why he turned his bike off. Holy shit. I might just go around that. I don't trust that. It's not going to go anywhere, but... It was a bit too low to duck under. I don't think that was getting fun actually, it was starting to flow nicely. Some relatively fresh tyre track here. Which is a good sign, so someone else has been down here in the last day or two. Whoopsie! You need more gas, man. Boy, it's raining. How long's it been there? How long's it been since we got wet last year? This is exciting times, everyone. Yeah. That just goes back to the other place, so I see a little silhouette of a track. Haha, catfished. So, whoa, shit. The rains are coming. I'm just exploring. Like, this hill on the left looks fucking decent, but I can't see any sort of real clear way to get through unless you like Billy Bolt and you can get up that. I don't think I can get up that. Hey? I don't know. I don't know, we could try. Holy shit, man. Why have I put my right foot down in a hole? I better follow him. What's that?
Looks like there's a bit of a track here.
Oh yeah?
Well, more so than there is there.
Best part about this rain so far is it's not cold, eh? It's like quite nice and refreshing. Shit, that rock took my foot and went sideways. Well, that was pretty good. I'm happy with that. What a view. What a view. That was cool.
That was cool.
What are the options here? Kind of looks like an easier route, steeper route, bush. What's he going to go for? I wonder if that actually goes anywhere. It goes here into a tree. Oh. Can't believe I didn't fall off. Go Carl, you can do it. No idea how I rode up that, but oh, that's a track that way. Sorry, bike. Oh, yeah. There are lots of prickles in my boots. Okay, this is jungle. Maybe through here and to the left. Yeah, as it stands right now, I can hear thunder and see if I can get my bike up this rock here. I might have to just drag it to the right, left. That's left. Might be able to just send it. Now I should be able to get on. Hell yeah. Oh, we did a little bit of a, can you stop rolling? Did a bit of a walk, there's some rocks here. We're going to go across these rocks and cut a right and keep going up this hill. Shit, that rock fucking crumbled. Come on. we said we're going to go. That went too far. Awkward spot for a battery change, but sometimes it just has to be done. How about you, number 7? How are my eyeballs? Oh, I'm losing my balance. That was like slow motion. Come on, up we get. Come on, over we get. So good being short. Alright, I think I can see again. Oops. I keep stalling it. I don't know, you know. There doesn't really seem to be a lot that way. Said I was going to Billy bolt it today. Not taking a hold now. Come on. Oh man, my eyeballs. I got stabbed. Oops. Thought I was going to miss that. Oops. This is really dense now. Just get it. Where'd that go? Yeah, I just fucking kicked it off.
I heard it. Did it snap?
Yes, double-sided tape clean off. Sorry everyone, there goes the adventures from my back end. Alright, so a bit of an update. We got through this bush, this dense bush. The camera overheated, so I just had to do the rest of it without the camera recording. Found this open rocky outcrop here. Beautiful. So we're going to head up to the left here. Looks like there actually might be a fire road just up there, so I think we've made it to the top of this hill. The hill that wasn't even a track. It's very, very shaly rock as well. Exactly what I said I was going to do. Okay, it's just a clearing. It's not actually a it's not actually a fire road. Catfished again. Oops, I fell into Carl's hole. That sounded really gay. I totally meant to do that. Haha, there is a sneaky little log under that. This soil up here is really easy to dig holes in. Come on, Metzler, you can get up here. Ah, my nuts. Alright, well, ow! Oh, it tickled my nutsack. And it's prickly. I just had to send it up the hill for a little bit after I recovered from my nut squashing. Quite thick up here. Whoops, that sucks. Well, this has been fun. We're trying to find our way back to the main track. I looked on Google Maps. We're in the middle of the bush. There's not a track anywhere near us. So we're having to bush bash through this prickly shit. And it is everywhere. It has just destroyed my new shirt that I'm wearing. It's all in my gloves, it's all in my boots. It's very uncomfortable. Oh yeah. Oh well. Oh my god, is that a fucking track? Celebration donut. I couldn't have said it better myself, Carl. Oh. I never thought I'd feel so happy to see a fire road. Fuck yeah, if we had more time, we're riding over that. But it's getting late. We've been out here fucking like 2.5 hours now. Oh, Jesus Christ. Yeah, cool. He agrees. No, I couldn't resist today. Oh, this shit's slippery.
Yeah, couldn't go right past today.
That's actually a little bit more vertical than it looked from over there.
Yeah.
Oh well, before this camera goes flat. Thanks for coming along on this little bit of an adventure, everyone. That was good fun. Just bashing our way through the bush trying to make a new track. I don't know if I'll do that again though. That was a little bit silly at the top of that hill. But it was good fun. So no regrets, eh? Don't forget, like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Ciao!